Alexandra Township residents, they have to spend this winter without electricity. This is after City Power went into all the premises within the township and disconnected the electricity cables. They cut off all the cables that were connected to the substation and transformers. According to the reports, many of the Alexandra Township residents, they don't pay for electricity. The electricity has been smuggled from the town houses or from the formal houses in Alexandra to the shacks around Alexandra. City Power lost a lot of billions and millions of rands due to this power corruption. But the problem is that some of these connections are done by City Power officials who come during the night and connect. City Power has to go to all the houses, big and small, and disconnect all the cables. But the residents vow that by the end of the day, they will have their power back. They say that they will reconnect the power because the government doesn't care about them. They've been crying for power for so many years. They took it upon themselves to empower themselves by connecting from the substations. City Power lost so many brands in these connections. They caused the substations to be overloaded. At some point in time, it even results in death where kids play in naked cables. Many kids died because of electrocution.